How to access private keys on Safepal crypto wallet, guys. This is a very good and important information on Safepal. So to access this important information, make sure that your Safepal wallet is up to date. Tap on this button where you see wallet O1, tap on it. It brings up the wallet like this. Then tap on these three dots at the side. Now that I've tapped on that, you see this button that says export public key, then export private key. All you have interested is your private key. So to access your private key, tap on this export private key. On tapping on export private key, this information comes up warning you that never disclose this private key. Anyone with your private key can steal any asset held in your account. So make sure that this private key is being kept by you. Tap on confirm. Once tap on confirm, now you see a lot of network here from Arbitrum, BNB, and others. So this private key is free. So for example, to access the private key of Arbitrum, tap on Arbitrum, then you need to provide your password as well. So providing your password comes up like this, you can see. It also gives you this information that click to show the QR code for the private key. So you can tap on this button, it shows the QR code as well. The private key comes up here. Now tap on this private key, it copies the private key. Mind that the private key differs. So the private key of Arbitrum is different from that private key of BNB St. Martin. It's also different from that of Polygon. So guys, if you enjoyed this tip on how to access your private key on Safepal, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Tap the notification icon as well so that you're notified when we drop an important update on this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon on our next video.